ako'y damang-dama sa'king kalam ng punong-puno ng pananabik at ng kabalalim. Sa'king bawat paghinga nakatitig lang.
Yes, Inay.
Oscar, do you agree to bind yourself permanently to Rebecca for the purpose of establishing conjugal and family life?
Yes, I do.
Rebecca, do you agree to bind yourself permanently to Oscar for the purpose of establishing conjugal and family life? As you have both agreed to bind yourselves to the contract of marriage, you are now reminded that under Article 68 of the Family Code of the Philippines, you are obliged to live together, observing for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do you part? Yes, I do. Oscar, do you take Rebecca to be your lawfully wedded wife, to love and to cherish, to have and to hold, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do you part?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Oscar, you may now place the ring on your finger.
Ang ko'y makasama ka sa pagtanda. Ang hiling sa Diyos na may gawa. Apelido ko'y maging iyo. Naglakad ka ng dahan-dahan sa pasilyo tungo sa'kin at hinawakan